she ain't never met this guy before, bro. Like, I think your girl loyal, man. Real stuff. I think your girl loyal, man. I think she passed. I think she passed because she was like, I ain't staying. I'm going with you. You like, no, I'll stay here. Nah, baby, you good. She loyal. Give it a ring. Give it a ring. She good. She good.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do it. Bro, you was not smooth. We didn't got this mansion and all this shit for no reason, bro. What the fuck?
Nah, I'm here. Right.
You gotta talk to her, bro. Get her on some calm vibes. Tell her like it's gonna be cool. She sit by you, woo woo. Just try to get her back to come in the crib.
All right, fam. I'm talking to her, bro. But any little thing, just tick her the fuck off.
Just tell her we got a little bottle on the way, whatever the case. You know what I'm saying? Get her back in the crib.
Don't even do it, bro. Don't force it. It's cool, bro. It's cool. I'm just planning shit about the crib and shit. We'll just try to do something else another day. Because if you try to do that and force the issue, then she gonna know something up when he actually try to shoot a shot. Shit is a cook, bro.